to learn this worship movement that you can use in your playing. We are in the key of B. B number 1, C sharp number 2, D sharp number 3, E number 4, F sharp number 5, G sharp number 6, A sharp number 7, back to F sharp. So it goes like, so left hand is a, and then right hand you go like, so that is the part number 1. So again, then you hold B and you feel like then left hand is this, then so from the beginning and then number 2 you repeat again the first, then from here you change, so left hand you hold the 5. This is second version of F sharp. So the part number 2 is, and then number 3, part number 3 goes like, so this is a E minor second inversion, so left hand. So for me I hold, so you go to the 1, then part number 4 is 1, then 7, 2, 6, pa pa pra na pa 2, 6. Then the last part goes like, then pa 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 na C sharp, then you go, so then 5, then so to play the whole